Haploid somatic cells is divided by A. Meiosis. Right. Cell division takes place when the cell A is haploid, B becomes diploid, C attains. Right. Before cell division, the entire DNA content of the cell gets doubled during interphase. This right cell cycle is divisible into A. Karyokinesis and cytokinase. Right. The correct sequence of stages in cell cycle is right. Condensation of chromosome with visible centromere occurs during A. Right. Synthesis of RNA and proteins takes place in A. M phase. Right. Mitosis is A. Karyokinesis, B. Cytokinesis, C. Reduction in chromosome number, D. Both A and B. Wrong. As compared to meiosis, in mitosis, A. Homologous chromosomes form pairs, B. Daughters have half chromosome number, C. Telophase. Right. The cellular structure which always disappears during mitosis or meiosis is A. Plastids, B. Plasma membrane, C. Nucleolus and nuclear envelope. Right. Chromosomes are arranged at equatorial plate of division spindle in right. Chromosomes can be counted best at the stage of right. The best stage to observe the shape, size and number of chromosomes. Right. Spindle fibers are made up of A. Proteins, B. Lipid. Right. Mitotic spindle is mainly composed of the protein A. Actin. Right. The separation of daughter chromosomes occurs in A. The beginning of anaphase, B. Metaphase, C. Late prophase, D. Early prophase. Right. At which stage of mitosis, the chromatids separate and start moving towards poles? A. Prophase, B. Metaphase, C. Right. Mitotic anaphase differs from metaphase in possessing A. Same number of chromosomes and half number of chromatids, B. Half the number of chromosomes and same number of chromatids, C. Half the number of chromosomes and half number of chromatids, D. Same number of chromosomes and same number of chromatids.